Sometimes, the most convincing story comes directly from the customer. After visiting HAPLAST and experiencing our working environment firsthand, our customers shared their honest thoughts about the company, the product quality, and the cooperation experience.
Welcome, you come to the HAPLAST, and I can ask you, how do you feel about the HAPLAST, about the service?
Very impressed. What I saw, a very well organized company and manufacturer. The workers, it's very nice and very dedicated, and everybody was happy. Good quality products. I hope we can do more business. Looking for new products, so you expand our business in the future. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
At HAPLAST, we build trust through quality products, professional service, consistent standards, and a long-term commitment to our customers worldwide. Partner with HAPLAST and discover a more reliable path to sustainable growth.